All right, VV Nation, my name is Ryan and welcome to the channel. Now, I was getting really excited last week when I saw Brent break above $85. If you've been watching my videos, that was a key level of resistance that we wanted to pay close attention to. Now it's sitting around $89 a barrel right now. Oil stocks are on the move, so we're going to utilize the VectorVest 7 system a little bit differently in tonight's video. On the past oil videos, normally I pick, top dividend stocks or, some of the big names, some of the big ETFs to track the space. Now, tonight's presentation, we're going to find low dollar, low price stocks that have high growth potential. So if this is something that you're interested in, stick around and let's get started. Now, the first thing I wanted to show you was this $85 barrel level I was talking about here. We've got several swing low touches here. Even when we broke it this most recent time here, we did get a retest back on this 85 level with a strong retracement following suit. You can see the last 5 candlesticks here, very strong bullish candlesticks to the upside here. Now, with this bullish momentum continuing to the upside here, the next level of resistance we're going to look at is between $92 and $94 a barrel. Now, when we jump into the VectorVest 7 software here, the top RT industries, you can see 2 out of the top 5 are in the petroleum sector. That's only confirming my bullish sentiment when it comes to the space. As well, when we come over here to Unisearch and we go to Delta searches here, if I go to the 10-day price delta, now the first on the list is going to be energy, but look at number 4, which sits at petroleum. Thus, you can see petroleum has a lot of momentum to the upside right now. So let's go ahead and jump into the stocks that I have for you. All right, so here's the list of stocks I have for you. The requirements for this list here, they had to be less than $10, undervalued, double digits growth rate in earnings, and an RT above 1. Along with a buy rating. Now you can see the stocks here. We got RIG at the top of the list here, coming in at $6.81. We currently value at $8.24. Now, when it comes to fundamentals here, you can see RVs across the board here. All the RVs are going to be very strong here. So great long-term price appreciation potential. Now, when it comes to safety, which looks at the consistency and the predictability of the company's financials here, I couldn't find any low-dollar oil stocks with the RS above 1. So just to let you know, these type of stocks here are not for the faint of heart or the more conservative investor. This will be a more prudent style of investing since RV is above 1 and RS is below 1. Now, that being said here, all of these stocks here in an uptrend right now. You can see RIG leading the charge here with 1.73. Brings the total to 1.38 when it comes to the VST. That's the highest in the list, and that's how these stocks are currently organized right now. Buy rating, growth rate of 30% here, so great candidate to have on your radar. Now, next on the list, we do have ESOA here, also undervalued here, coming in at $8.20. We value it at $10, so it's 20% below its valuation here. RV above 1 at 1.41. RS, this is actually the highest RS in the list here at 0.99. So if you do want to try to reduce some risk here, this might be a position you want to look at here just because of that safety rating is the highest in the list. Now the RT 1.6, so there's a lot of magnitude when it comes to the short-term price trend to the upside here. Buy rating GRT at 23%. So you can see this list of stocks, very good list to choose from here. We've got Profile Energy. This is going to be the cheapest stock here, coming in less than $2, just $1.92. Now we value it at $2.80. That's almost 50% upside potential compared to where it is currently sitting. Now RV relative value here at 1.5, phenomenal rating. RS again 0.84 here, RT at 1.58. So you can see the common theme here with these stocks here. They all have the buy ratings. RT's above 1. So great list of stocks here. At the bottom of the list here, we do have Select Water, Flowtech Industries, and North Euro Oil. So now let's go ahead and jump in the charts and see what the graphs are trying to tell us. All right, first up on the list, we've got RIG or Transocean here. You can see over the last several weeks, a lot of momentum to the upside. All of our moving averages in our favor here. We have a clear trend line we're staying above. Now with price action right at this level of support here, I'd like to see it break above this zone here just to get confirmation on strong volume, showing me conviction to the upside here amongst investors. Now next we have ESOA or Energy Services here. We've got a tight trading range here over the last 2.5 months here. So I see this prior high at 875. Just to get confirmation, I'd like to see price action take out this prior high to get a breakout to the upside. On strong volume would be preferred. Next we've got Profile Energy here. Big strong move here. See all the moving averages in our favor here. Price action breaking out to the upside as of today. I do see an upper wick here, so I'd like to see that upper wick taken out just to get confirmation to the upside. However, we do have a high coming in at $2, so just take note of that. A more conservative approach would have price action take out this $2 high to confirm that momentum to the upside. Now we've got Select Water here. We see we just broke out of this level of resistance at 911, now becoming a level of support here. On top of that, look at that new 3-month high as of today. The high sits at 942, where we're currently at right now. On top of that, all the moving averages are in our favor here. The only concern I have is we're seeing volume starting to taper off once again here. So I do like the momentum to the upside, just not seeing the volume there. So just take note of that going forward. Now here we've got Flowtech, just broke above this level of resistance. It is a down day today, so I'm not going to recommend buying it today. Confirmation, I would just like to take out today's high, sitting at 381. We do have the buy rating, and with the moving averages in our favor here, this does look like a good position. Now for the last position, we have NRT, or Northern Euro Oil. Just broke this level of resistance here at 645. A nice strong body candlestick today, currently trading at 674. The current 3-month high sits at yesterday's high of 383. Now I'd like to see price action take out this previous high here, just showing me momentum to the upside before jumping into this position. All right, VV Nation, you heard what I had to say when it comes to petroleum. The software itself, VectorVest, is telling us that there's a lot of momentum in the upside right now when it comes to this space. On top of that, look at that. Brent oil, we still got a couple dollars until we hit another level of resistance when it comes to price action itself. So that being said here, I just wanted to bring you some, some good trade setups, some great stocks to have on your radar that potentially you may not have heard about if you didn't watch this video. Now that being said, I hope you enjoyed today's presentation. I hope you enjoyed and found informative information when we went over the charts. We see a lot of momentum to the upside, so just make sure we have some follow through to show us conviction to the upside. Now that being said, you guys have a great night, and I'll see you next time.
Hey VV Nation, do you have access to the VectorVest tool, the most powerful tool in the industry right now? No? Well, I'm going to give you an opportunity to take advantage of an outstanding deal. Simply go to www.vectorvest.com/YT. You can take advantage of VectorVest 30 days for $9.95. That's an outrageous price for a trial. So what do you get? Well, you get the opportunity to see how we have outperformed the S&P 500 by over 2,000% for the last 20 years. We'll go down and we can see that we track over 18,000 stocks globally and have access to analyzing those. And we've got 25 years of accurate market predictions. Yes, folks, we time the market. Simply, folks, all you have to do is go to www.vectorvest.com/YT. $9.95 for 30 days, and we offer a hassle-free refund. Folks, take advantage of it right now.